Welcome to the new segment of the grade 9th. We are discussing political science, chapter 5, that is working of institutions. In this chapter, today's subtopic is how is a major policy decision taken? In a government, when we see Indian government or other government, they are making a different policies to develop a human resource, to develop citizens of a country, and how they will take that the major policies to decisions is by the government. So here some examples they are given to understand that policies. Here a government order in uh, in a month of the August, in 13th of the August 1990, the government has issued an order. So what that order, when they are releasing any order, that order is known as office memorandum. So memorandum is one kind of the documental record which is given by a governments. This has usually, when we are writing the any documental official records, they are having their own serial numbers. Yes, here the for example the given that is OM number 36012 bar 3190, that is EST, in a SCT. So here we can take a 90, it is a 90 is a year. They are mentioned the serial number of that the order which is released by that period government. That serial numbers what they are giving, no, that is a continuation part. Suppose when these order has released, that time one government it is ruling our country, or now at present another government it is a ruling, but the continuation of that number is same. They are not changing at all. That number, serial number, will be in a order. And the joint secretary and officer in the development of that person and training in the ministry of personal or public governance, and they are signing the particular authority in when they are releasing that uh, orders, the particular the person, the higher authority person should be signed on that order. So they are the every day the several orders, circulars they are releasing in our government. For example, in school notice board we are getting some orders by the principal or for to the management, that is for the maybe that is for the students, or maybe for to the D grade workers, or maybe it is for to the teachers. They are making us to follow that rules and regulations, or they are making some major changes in a management. That one we are getting for from where? From the notice board, which is signed by the higher authority. Here also same we can take the example, that is the every day the government issues 100 more than 100 orders in a every day, that in a different matters which is very important, and that the source which they are the following from to the several years. So one example we can take here, that is here the one small copy they are the given, that is a department as well as a number and a subject. What was the subject which was released in a 1990 by the Indian government? So 27% reservation for socially and educationally backward classes in a civil post and services. So here this is a subject. So they want to give a reservation for to the people who are the belongings to backward classes, where they want to give a reservation in a civil post and services. So this the order has passed and they are the kept in that order in the second backward classes commission, that is called as a Mandal Commission. So Mandal Commission was established by the government with these propose in a view that they are the kept this matter in the in front of the government in 31st December in 1980. And they are the this report recommendation of commission in present contest regarding the benefits of extended in a social, that is where they are the in a backward classes, they want to give a reservation. So these all the provided this information, actually they are the given here, the two also the same, the another one second one, the reservation. See the date we can mention here. One, it is in a 1990, another order, that is they are the kept that same in front of the government in a 1993. So that reservation, they needed that order should be passed. Yes, the year wise that they are the continuing, and the number of, see here the number which they are the used, that office memorandum is the number which here we can see, here we can see the very carefully the number which they are the showing. One is in a 31/90, another one is 22/93. See the order numbers has changed, the order number is not a same. That's why I told, so number serial number it will be change the period wise. And the order announced the what the policy decisions, what they are the going to take, what the decisions they are the going to take to major thing, that is a giving a reservation, that is in a backward classes. It said that 27% of the vacancies, the in a how much percentage, 27 of the vacancies in the civil post and the services under the government of India, and they have to be reserved. Reserved means the keeping a side, that the post has to be given for to the particular that categorization people, not for to the others. They are the making reservation, they are the keeping aside that reservedly, and that the reserved for to the social and educational backward classes, the SEBE. So they are the made that those the people, they are the kept, they are the given a title for that people, that is a SEBC, who belongings to the backward. And by the government, they are the appearing, they are the appealing that order to make the 27 reservation for to the work for to the government, in which the civil post and services. And the benefit of the jobs reservation was till then available the only for to the SC and ST. So reservation at present, they are the kept for to the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Now a third category, that is called as SEBC, that is socially and economic, educationally backward classes. They are the giving a different percentage for to the different categorization of caste in our country. We are not considering is everyone is one. They are the kept some reservation for to the some particular categorization classes. The only the persons who belongings to the backward classes were eligible for to the some 27% job, and they can the competition is more when we see these the government jobs. So the people are involving to pass this order. Yes. So how they are making these decisions maker? Who will take a decisions? What those issues will be discussed? Yes. So these decisions makers will discuss tomorrow. For reference, you can refer a ninth grade textbook in a page number 79 and 79 and 80. NCERT textbook you can take and you can check it out or you can refer that textbook. Thank you.